Namaste, I am Manjula. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I will be making strawberry almond pudding, which is elegant and delicious dessert. This strawberry almond pudding is creamy and smooth, light and refreshing. It comes together quickly using simple ingredients. A beautiful dessert that looks elegant and tastes delicious. Perfect for entertaining or for a simple treat at home. This recipe will be serving 4. So let's get started. So first I will be making the syrup. So I am using half a cup of water, 4 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of agar. And mix it well. And keep stirring till it comes to boil. We want to make sure that sugar is melted and agar stays mixed well. It's not lumpy. So I'm making this on medium high. So lower the heat and let it simmer because I still see the sugar has not melted all the way. Sugar is melted. And now I am ready to puree this with the strawberries. I am using 2 cups of strawberries which I have cut into pieces, and after you cut them you should refrigerate them for about 30 minutes, so they should be very chilled. Half a cup of 1/4 cup of almond powder. 1 cup of chilled heavy cream, and in the end the syrup we made, and blend it on the high speed. Okay, so I have blended almost for half a minute. And it's smoothie. It's very smooth. So I am ready to serve it. So I am ready to put them in serving bowl. So first let's put some more strawberries. I have already chopped them in small pieces. So right now I'm just going to make 2 of them. Pour the strawberries over syrup. It just looks right. Now I am going to refrigerate for about half an hour and just put more strawberries before serving. A strawberry almond pudding has been sitting in refrigerator for about 15 minutes. This pudding you need to serve chill for the best taste. So now I'm just going to dress it up with few more strawberries. I think this looks amazing and it tastes delicious. Strawberry almond pudding looks delicious. It's very refreshing. A lovely dessert for get together or simply treat yourself. Enjoy. Thank you for being here. I will be back soon with new recipes. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you, Manjula.